Rũhonge rwa mahenya bũrũri-inĩ nĩ rũhinyĩrĩirie arutani a cukuru cia mũthingi na secondary mathomithie arutwo ũgwati wa kũhũthĩra ndawa cia kuongerera icoka hinya nĩguo mahotane mathako-inĩ. Hĩndĩ ya gwetha arutwo arĩa marĩ na taranda cia mahenya kaunti-inĩ ya Garissa, rũhonge rũu rugĩte ũhũthĩri wa ndawa icio nĩ ũrathũkia mbica ya bũrũri mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ, rũkĩenda arutani kaunti-inĩ ĩyo mathiĩ na mbere gũkũria arĩa marĩ na taranda cia mahenya.
Ingine ambayo tumeongea ni mambo ya doping, mambo ya drug, na tumeambia pale tumefikia Kenya ambayo tuko katika A class na seriousness ambayo iko nayo. So walimu wakae macho na hiyo information wapitishie wanafunzi wao ili wajue kwamba kuna hali ya hatari. Tumesema ya kwamba wajaribu kutengeneza camps kila shule, at least iwe na wanafunzi ambaye watakuwa wanafundishwa hapo na hao walimu, na tutatrain hao walimu on technical issues,
because most of these athletes, international athletes who are going for under 17, are drawn basically from our institutions, both primary and secondary.
We believe that we are going to identify our talents in terms of early identification, and because of the geographical area that we are in, we've said we will link with the Athletics Kenya leadership and Ministry of Education so that early identification and early placement can be taken care of. Because when we identify these learners, we want to place them to high altitude areas where they can be given intensive training so that in the coming years we see more Faras and the likes from this region.